In the previous class, we had learned about the characteristics of Indian agriculture. Today, we will discuss and know the different types of crops. On the basis of season, crops are of two types. Number one, Kharif crops, and number two, Rabi crops. Kharif crops. Number one, Kharif crops. Crops which are grown during monsoon and harvested before winter are known as Kharif crops. Example, rice, jute, cotton, soybean, groundnut, etc. The time period of Kharif crops between June to November and December. November, December. Monsoon means rainy season. The crops which are grown during monsoon season and harvested before winter are known as Kharif crops. Number two, Rabi crops. Crops which are cultivated in winter with the help of irrigation are known as Rabi crops. Example, wheat, potato, mustard, oilseed, etc. The time period of Rabi crops is December to May, June. December to May, June. There is another type of crop called jet crops. Actually, it is a subtype of Rabi crops which are cultivated in spring, March and harvested before rainy season. Example, cucumber, watermelon, spinach, etc. The time period of jet crops is March to May, June. Now there is another classification of crops on the basis of utility. They are food crops and number two, commercial or cash crops. Food crops. It includes all types of food crops which we eat. No need to explain it. Number two, commercial or cash crops. Crops which earns money or crops which are cultivated in a commercial basis are known as cash crops or commercial crops. Example, tea, coffee, rubber, etc. The intention to grow these crops is only to get money. That is why it is known as cash crops or commercial crops. If we look at the subtypes of the food crops, there are cereals. What are cereals? Cereals are all crops which have grains. Example, rice, wheat. Number two, beverage. What are beverage? Beverage are liquids for drinking, something we can drink. Tea, coffee. Below that, cash crop. Cash crops also include fiber crops. What are these? Fiber means thread which cannot digest if fibers are in food crops. Example, cotton, jute, etc. Now we have to see the favorable geographical conditions for the cultivation of rice. Rice is a kharif crop. It is a main staple food of Indian people. Favorable geographical conditions for the cultivation of rice are: number one, climate. Rice is the crop of tropical monsoon climate, hot and humid. Tropical monsoon climate, which is the climate which prevails in especially India. Climate includes two parts, temperature and rainfall. A. Temperature. It requires temperature for sowing period between 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, and for maturity period temperature is ranging between 18 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. B. Rainfall. It requires rainfall between 150 centimeter to 250 centimeter. In the climatic section, if we are able to know whether it is Kharif or Rabi or any other crops, we can easily write the required temperature and rainfall for the cultivation of any crops. Number two, land. Land should be flat with standing water. Waterlogged flat lands is best for cultivation of rice. Accumulation of water inland is very important in rice cultivation. Number 3, soil. Fertile alluvial clayey soil, marshy soils are very suitable. Alluvial soil is the most fertile soil in the world. It is the soil which is formed from alluvium, the load which is carried down by the river. Number 4, labor. Rice is the labor intensive cultivation. It needs more labor, so it is known as labor intensive cultivations. Number 5, capital. It requires huge capital. Capital means money. It requires for buying seeds, chemicals, agriculture equipments, etc., wages to laborer. 6. Other factors: chemical fertilizers, irrigation, high yielding seeds, pesticides, etc., are other requirements for the cultivation of rice. Irrigation. Irrigation means artificial supplying of water. High yielding seeds, high yielding variety of seeds which give more production. Important questions for Madhyamik Pariksha as well as for your internal examinations from these portions are: number 1, what are Kharif, Rabi, Zaid, cash or commercial crops? Number 2, write 1, 2 examples of Kharif, Rabi, Zaid, cash, fiber, cereals crops. Number 3, describe the favorable geographical conditions for the cultivation of rice. If you do not understand my handwriting, screenshot the video and zoom the notes and copy all of them.